Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I am going to talk about the latest vacancy of German teacher. Yes, correct, latest vacancy of the German teacher. If you have done B2 level or advanced diploma plus graduation is must. You must be graduate plus B2 level certificate you should have, or advanced diploma from any university affiliated to UGC. You can apply for this job. Forms are already out. You can apply online and only 2 days are given for filling up the form, and after that you will be get for an invite, or you will get a job, or you will not get a job because there are so many people but vacancies are not so much, and these vacancies are only in Delhi government schools. Yes, these vacancies are in Delhi government schools. Yes, and for the upcoming session, and this is purely on contractual basis. It's a contractual job. If you perform better, your contract may be renewed further. So it's contractual job and salary is around 35,000 plus 36, 37,000. You can find details. I'll give you the details. You can find everything in the detail. So this is very good opportunity for all of you. If you want to become a teacher, if you want to start your career as a German teacher, but you must fulfill the criteria. Freshers can also apply. Experience is okay. If you don't have experience, you can also apply. It's okay. So you must apply for this job and you can start working as a German teacher in Delhi schools, and very good salary. 35,000 plus is handsome salary for a beginner. So the entire detail of this job you will find below in the description. There is a Telegram channel link, my Telegram channel link below in the description, and here I have mentioned this job detail. Link is given to you. You just click the link, find out the detail. You click the link, you download the entire detail about the job, and there is also online form. Everything is just in one link. Click the link first, visit the Telegram channel, and there you will find the post of this latest teacher vacancy for the upcoming session in Delhi schools. So hurry up, forms already out, very less time, so please fill up the form and start working. All the best to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.